How to move or transport the HP SmartTank 500 and 600 printer series. To move your HP SmartTank printer within your home or office, turn off the printer and then disconnect all cords. Keep the printer level as you move it. Set it on a flat surface and then reconnect the cords. To transport outside of your home, turn off the printer and then disconnect all cords. Open the doors to access the carriage. On the carriage, push down the blue latch to open it. If you have the original packing materials for your printer, locate the cardboard restraints that were inside the front door and printhead access area. Slide the larger of the two restraints into the carriage path to prevent the carriage from moving. If you don't have the original packing materials, use a piece of cardboard or rolled up newspaper. Tape the cardboard to the printer and then close the doors. Remove any paper and then lower the input tray. Place the printer in a large plastic bag with the front of the printer facing the back of the bag. Place the printer in its original box with the front of the printer facing the bottom of the box. If you do not have the original box, load the printer into a box that is similar in shape and size. Keep the printer level as you move it to prevent any ink spills. At the new location, take the printer out of the box and bag. Open the doors and then remove the cardboard. Press down on the blue latch to close it, and then close the doors. Reconnect the power cord, and then turn on the printer. Connect the printer to a wireless network or using a USB cable, and then resume printing.